Okay, pupils, we are on this Year 6 Academy Stars Workbook on page 70. We are still on Unit 6. So today we are going to learn Lesson 7, Functional Language. Activity 1, complete the advert with the words in the box. So already given answer the first one, use for. So I will read this passage here. So is it a pen? Is it a paint pot? No, it's the new squirty ketchup pen. It's used for putting ketchup on your food. And so this is, and what eat with funny faces. So this is basically decorating something. So you need to write as, so for this one, decorating and then we have the next sentence, it's made of. So this is, you see, if you see the material carefully, so it is usually made of plastic. So this is plastic, P-L-A-S-T-I-C. So plastic, and it red or dark blue. So this is something related to color. So it comes in red or dark blue, and it's useful and fun. That's why it's so this is so special. So S-P-E-C-I-A-L. So special. So try out our new, so this is invention. So invention. And see for yourself how fantastic it is. Number 7, your old ketchup bottle. So this is something work, so throw away. So the first alphabet uppercase, so throw away. So throw away your old ketchup bottle and buy the squirty ketchup pen today, and look at our special price to see how, so this is cheap, so how cheap it is. So basically this is the advert phrases. And then next we go to the checkup challenge. So we have, so all the vertical alphabet you will need to fill in. So number 1, activity 1, complete the puzzle, find the secret word. So already given answer the first one. These are shown on TV to sell things. So these are, meaning we have S here. So as we have, so maybe I minimize it a bit so that you can see the whole part of this. So number 1, we have S here because these are, so meaning is plural. And then we have number 2, the opposite of heart. So this is antonym for heart. So the opposite of heart is soft. So we have S-O-F-T. And then the third question, different from, and usually better than. What is usual? So we have answer on activity 1. So this is special. So we have S P E C. So special, SPECIAL. Special. So number 3. And then number 4. This describes something that helps you in different ways. So that is something useful. So we have this useful. So USEFUL. Useful. Number 5. The material that jeans are made of. So this is, you may refer to your textbook, the Academy Stars textbook. So we have this something called denim. So it's DENIM. And number 6, something that doesn't cost a lot of money is, so it's considered as cheap. So we have the answer from activity 1. So cheap, CHEAP, cheap. And number 7, a program on TV or the radio that tells you about recent events. So program, so this is, you have to add the article the, so this is the news. So we have this THE, and then we don't have this spacing, so we just continue. So news. So news, we have S here. So the news for number 7. And then we take a look at number 8. A soft material that comes from a plant and is used for making denim. So this is, so usually you touch it every day. So you're wearing your clothes. So they are made from cotton. So this is cotton, COT. So T, we have 2, double T for cotton. And number 9, shoes and bags are often made of this material. So we have this leather. So LEATHER. So leather. And then number 10, the opposite of light. So the antonym of light. So this is something bright here, meaning, so just like sun, we have sunlight. So the opposite of light is something dark. So DARK. And then finally we have 11. So this is used to change the color of material. So we are just 3 alphabet. So this is dye. So DYE, dye. So it's pronounced exactly the same with DIE, dye. So DYE for dye. So that's it for today. So we are on this Year 6 Academy Stars Workbook on page 70. So that's it for today. So if you're okay, you can subscribe here. And then you can consume the related contents here. And right below this video, there's a link. You can click it. You can join my Telegram bot for free.